Good morning everyone. Today we will cook beef caldereta. I'll show you all the ingredients. Okay, this is our beef. I use blade stick beef, and now we will use one bell pepper, ground pepper, tomato sauce, liver spread, and also chickpeas. I use chickpeas instead of green peas. Carrots, potato, onion, minced garlic, and also 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, all these my ingredients. This is my own version recipe. Okay, you can put anything that you want to put it, but for me, just this it. Okay, it's optional. Either you don't put this one, it's okay. Yeah, you put green peas instead. My kids don't like green peas, that's why I use chickpeas instead. Okay, let's start cooking. Oh, I put already the oil, sorry. What we're gonna do, let's cook the potato first. Let's fry a little bit so that it's not gonna be mushy when we mix in the meat. Maybe you're thinking why I put too much potato, because my kids love potato. We will cook until it turns brown. So now we can take it out. And next is carrots. Okay, next it's our red pepper, bell pepper. Okay, I use another pan. A little bit. I put 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we can put the onion. Now we can put the garlic. We will cook until it turns brown. Now we can put our meat. Okay, now we will put the salt, also the ground pepper. And the soy sauce. Now we will add water also, and we will boil it until become tender. So I need to put 3 cups of water to make it to cook tender, because it takes a while to make it tender, the meat. Okay, now we will cover and then we'll check later. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Now we can put the liver spread. Let's cover more. Okay. Okay, let's check it out. Now we can put the tomato sauce. Let's boil it more, because it's not really tender yet. See, still hard. Okay, let's check it out. And let's put the potato. Let's put the potato. Put the potato. The color is just okay because of the tomato sauce. And now we can put also the chickpeas. And also the carrots. We put the bell pepper last. Okay, and let's boil it. So, ngayon nilalagay na natin ng bell pepper. We will put the bell pepper, and then we will simmer it for a while, just few minutes, then we're done. See? Now it's done. So, ganito lang. Madali lang lutuin ito, mga kapatid, mga kaibigan. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye.